Dolan Ellis' song, which has been Arizona's official balladeer, foot high and forever. Where'd that capo go?
It's always on the other guitar.
Right.
Wait, oh, what are you, up to 4 now?
Song, you trying to stop me?
No, up to 4 guitars.
Oh. Well, Hank and Crystal, they moved out west, do the thing they both knew the best, which was running the best truck stop you'd ever seen. Hank worked back in the kitchen and cooked. Crystal waited tables with a sexy look. Before long, she became known as the truck stop queen. You know, that title went to her head. Hank became sorry he'd ever wed that strong-willed woman who began to boss him around. She yelled and screamed through the kitchen doors for Hank to get the lead from his drawers. I mean, she was always putting him down. One day, Hank had had it up to his ears. Went to the cooler, got a couple of beers, took Crystal by the arm to the table, and he sat her down and said, "Who's gonna run the truck stop at Tuba City? Keep the back bar clean, keep the place looking pretty, tell jokes to the folks, keep the conversation witty when it gets right down to the nub and nitty gritty. Who's gonna run the truck stop at Tuba City when I'm gone?" Only when I'm gone. Well, that Greyhound bus stopped every day, dropped the mail while on its way to Reno, Silver City, Tahoe, Bakersfield, and beautiful downtown Burbank. Hank said, "Woman, I've had enough of your cuss. I'm putting my bags on that Greyhound bus. You're a plain bad broad, and I've had enough of your lip. Now you gotta help me here." Hank stepped up to those those sliding doors. Ready? Hank stepped up to those sliding doors. Bus took off with a great big roar. Hank bought himself a ticket for a one-way trip. Hank looked back out the window at the back of the bus. There stood Crystal in the desert dust, standing on the bumper with her lips flapping in the breeze. She was pounding on the window and she was pointing her finger and pounding on the glass, giving Hank a ration of sass. She wasn't about to let that poor man leave. Hank pressed his nose up to the window pane, started in screaming at that dizzy dame, till the people on the bus all began to turn and stare. Just about then, a sign said, "Dip." Crystal did a twist and a triple flip. And Hank hollered after her as she flew through the air. Who's gonna run the truck stop into the city? Keep the back bar clean, keep the place looking pretty, tell jokes to the folks, keep the conversation witty when it gets right down to the nub and nitty gritty. Who's gonna run the truck stop into the city when I'm gone? Only when I'm gone. Well, there's a moral to this silly song. Hope you ladies don't get me wrong, but I believe women's liberation is a slightly different point of view. For a man has got to be a man. You can only make him think he can. In turn, your man will make a woman out of you. Yeah, you're the only ones who could do the trick. Only a woman knows how men kick. I believe that man and woman is here to stay. Just let him think that he's the boss. Let him out when he gets lost. And I guarantee you, girls, you'll never hear him say, "Who's gonna run the truck stop into the city, keep the back parking, keep the place looking pretty, tell jokes to the folks, keep the conversation with, right down to the nub and nitty gritty. Who's gonna run the truck stop into the city when I'm gone? When I'm gone? You think I'm gonna take that sass? Honey, you done bought the farm."